Hi, welcome back to Living in Thailand, my space on the internet. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Your girl got another video. So I thought since we are currently stuck in quarantine and I can't vlog the way that I want to by exploring outside and traveling and doing all the things that makes me happy, I would show you guys how I wash my hair, basically a natural hair wash routine. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Before we get into that, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and even share this video if you find it helpful. Help another natural out since we are all struggling through this quarantine time. So getting into the video, as you can see, my hair is dry, it is tangled. It's been like this for probably about a week and a half. It's not what I would normally do, but I have definitely been neglectful. So I am doing a full wash day routine, which will probably be over a 2-day span. So I'm going to pre-poo, then shampoo, then deep condition, and then kind of style my hair. So I'm going to take you guys through that. Like I said, it'll be a 2-day process. I usually can do this in like one night or one day, but since I have the time, I'm going to spread it out to make sure that like all the products are penetrating my hair since it is in such a fragile, dry state.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is a lot. So let me just show you guys my hair. It's not in the best state. So first I'm going to separate my hair into 2 halves, and throughout this whole process I'm going to look crazy, so just ignore that. So I'm going to split in 2 halves here, and then I'm going to split this half into 2 like that, and put a clip on it.
No.
And then we have this back section, and then I'm going to split this into 2. So it's a lot of sections here. And then I have this back section, and then I'm going to split this one in 2. So I'm basically splitting my hair up so that I can start detangling and it can just not be a very overwhelming process. So if you do not know what a pre-poo is, that's the step that I'm about to start. It's basically a pre-shampoo, and you can either use like oils or conditioner or even aloe vera. I know a lot of people just use different things to pre-poo their hair. It's basically to detangle and get your hair ready for the shampoo phase. So for me, I like to use oils because oils a lot. I'll be using this pure grapeseed oil. So what I like to do first is, this is a spray bottle. It actually has warm water in it just because warm water kind of penetrates my hair a little bit faster. I'm gonna spray it on my hair. Kind of want to get it damp but not wet, not like soaking wet. And then I'm gonna start to run my hands through it. And start kind of getting rid of tangles and shed hair and making it more manageable. So like right now you can already tell that it is shed hair, that it is it's becoming more manageable. It's getting a little bit of length back because of the water. I'm gonna do a little bit more at my roots. And I don't know about y'all, but my roots be so matted. Like, it is ridiculous. My roots be on that shit, man. Be crazy. So once I feel like the hair is kind of damp and saturated, I'm going to add the grapeseed oil. So just take some. It doesn't matter how much you take, how much you use. I use enough to to coat my hair, and I say use oils because it's just easier, especially like lighter oils. Like they glide through your hair and they can help detangle, and you get a lot for you know, a small amount of money. They're pretty inexpensive, so I just like to do that. And then of course the ends, and that just looks 100% better than what it used to look like. So once I feel like I'm in an okay state, as far as detangling and that my hair feels okay, I'm just going to take it, split it up, and then twist it up. Gonna focus for me, but yeah, it's pretty juicy or whatever. So basically I'm gonna do that on my whole head, and I'll be back. Hair is all twisted up, pre-pooed out. So what I'm gonna do is take the grapeseed oil. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hands and then on my fingertips, and I'm gonna give myself a scalp massage. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this in my hair for about maybe 30 minutes, and then usually I wash my hair in the shower, but I'm not taking a shower right now. I don't feel like getting my body wet, so I'm gonna wash my hair in the sink. And I'm going to use this Garnier Fructis shampoo. I don't know why I got it. It was at Walgreens and it was on sale, so I got it. And I'm not particularly like obsessed with like what type of shampoo I use, as long as it gets my hair clean. And I realized that I need clarifying shampoos in order to get my hair clean. And a lot of natural shampoos, they're like moisturizing shampoos, which are fine for some days, but I need my scalp clean. So oh, excuse me, I'm gonna use this one and see how it does. It's my first time using it. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wash my hair and everything off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the deep conditioning process. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave this in for about 30 minutes. You can use a bag and kind of let everything marinate in, but I won't do that. Yeah, so then leave this in for 30 minutes, shampoo, and then I'll be back. Yeah, pretty happy with the results that I got with this, so I'm definitely going to use this again. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like with no product in it. Definitely think I am definitely type 4. I would say I'm 4B 4C, but people may argue and say that I'm not 4C, but I think I am because my hair gets crazy. So since I pre-pooed and I shampooed my hair just feels really good. The next step I'm going to do is deep condition. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Conditioner using for my deep condition, and all I do is section my hair off, kind of still using this middle section as this middle part as the anchor to start part of my hair. Get my clip back, and here's my hair. And I know I haven't used any combs throughout this whole process, and I'm actually, am I going to use a comb? I am going to use a comb. Felicia Leatherwood brush, I really like it because it has like the flexible teeth on it. So I'm just gonna pull my hair taut and then start at the roots, the ends, and then just work my way up to the roots. It should be pretty much detangled because I finger detangled my hair, and I shouldn't have too much static with the brush. So, and then I'm gonna take conditioner. And with this conditioner, you don't have to use a lot, like a little does go a long way. I'm gonna get up to my roots, but I'm not gonna get my scalp because I don't wanna kind of clog up my scalp again. And yeah, you can see that my hair is kind of curls popping, and that's how I can tell if I like a deep conditioner, is if I still get curl definition when I put it on there. If I don't really get curl definition, I don't think that my hair is taking the product correctly. So you can see I get curl definition there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure I get that Nate though, that kitchen. And then I'm just gonna twist it up. I'm gonna put it into a bantu knot. And that's it. And I'm gonna do that around my entire head. So we are all done. Deep conditioner is in. I just put some deep conditioner around my edges and my nape, basically the perimeter of my head, to make sure that I'm not forgetting any of the strands. So what I like to do is I'm going to actually sleep in this and rinse it out and then just style my hair. So yeah, I'm just going to take plastic down. So I'll put this on, then I'll put another plastic bag on, and then I'll put a t-shirt on, wrapper t-shirt, or some type of scarf around my head, just in case any of it tries to seep through, or if any of the oils tries to kind of seep through. It usually doesn't, but just in case, I don't want my pillowcase to be, funky or whatever. So yeah, that is my wash day routine. I'm gonna sleep in this overnight and wash it out in the morning, and then I just style my hair as usual. I don't know which type of style I'm gonna do. Probably just put it in my Travis Scott braids, and just call it a day or call it a week, and then do this process all over next week. But yeah, that's what I do. That's kind of my routine. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something by watching me do my hair. And if so, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as share this video if you found it helpful. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.